Ciao nice people! Welcome on a new stream of game development. This time will be a little different, well, just a little. We are not developing a game, we are fixing whatever we are. Well, I have a lot of things to tell. I won't tell all of them though. So I wanted to go on each, but it's not working. There's a problem with each IO, so not a problem. I hope it gets fixed briefly, but I hope it's not another stuff with Funko Pop. At least for now. Doesn't matter because now we are on something is wrong with my world map. And is there something wrong with my world map? The game is fine. There's just a bug I found, they found recently. And there's another thing I should add to the game, just to improve the quality of life. An extra reason for it is because this game got actually pretty popular on itch.io. I get like 300 visits every day, so I feel like I should at least upgrade the bug, which is, I don't think that's that common, and add some sort of target on the map to show where the player should go. For example, at the start they should know they need to go to the main city. Then they need to go over the bridge, and I saw a lot of players. Well, this idea started from a last stream I saw of another streamer which played this game. It was Goopies. And I realized that players enter there and they leave. The cutscene makes them leave and they never use this structure again. So that's something we need to fix. Another thing I need to fix is my table, but that's beyond the scope of today's, I suppose. Okay, so we can start with a bug. Let's see if we can replicate it. There was a guy from the server of Hates Reverb, which played my game, Subliminal. He's kinda an annoying guy, but he found a pretty nice bug. Well, nice. Let's see if we can. It's about spamming the world map here and there. And it got teleported in the 0-0 coordinates. Weird that it didn't happen to me. Maybe it was the web browser version, but I'm not that sure. It happened by spamming the button. Or maybe if I press the button. Okay, here it is. Okay. The problem here is because a lot of things happen. Yeah, you did break a lot of laws of physics, Kalina. Don't you see? Don't you see? You did. Okay, here the problem then is stemming from being able to have two sort of buttons for the same function. It's not over. Okay, here it's over. So, for example, pressing this button activates the leave the world view. But if I press the W button, it also activates. So I can do it twice. It's fine here. How did she walk there? This is some explode keeper shenanigans. Everything is fine. If I press it twice, I should press. Which should I press first? Okay, I see the difference. Here, if I press W, the button disappears instantly. Here, if I press W, the button doesn't disappear. That means I could chain the press of the button. And I did! Okay. Now I don't really can move. I can't really move. I can save, which is kinda fucked up if you ask me. Let's save, sure. And if we return back, we are somewhere. Okay, yeah, that's very messed up. That's probably the bug. Okay. I'm discovering new zones though. I suppose I'm going diagonally down. Because it's a consequence of not having a spawn point in the ocean for, well, obvious reasons. So, sooner or later I should loop around the map, Pac-Man effect, and return to the other side. Now I'm in the corner, so probably kinda closer. I'm surprised I'm not leaving any sort of trail. I'm discovering new map zones though. I'm kinda enjoying breaking the game here. My game! I should make another Exploit Keeper game. Because if I find bugs, I can use them as a intended feature. Oh, weird though that I'm not really... I hear the sound of unlocking new areas, but I don't. Oh well, doesn't matter, we found the bug. Since we are here, we saved. Yeah, even worse, even worse. Nice. Okay, we got maybe a little too much fun. But now we know what to fix. That's actually a pretty simple fix. So, it's when you press the button to return to the world map. To the original world map. So, okay, this is when you leave continental map. I called it continental map because there's 2 world maps in the game, and that is kinda confusing in the development. So, when you leave the map, I need to check what this means. Intro, then, oh, I don't know which it is. Here. Intro 3. It's okay, I remember now what it is. It's the first time where you have to take a step on the continental map. So that means, yeah, this button is to return back from the big map. So, and it interrupts the rest if it's the first time. So if it's not the first time, you return back. And I'm not deleting the button. I think that I'm doing here, on the other side. Erase picture 4, 5 or 6. Probably 4. I should up here, okay, yeah, it's 4. So I should delete picture 4 when I return to the map. And everything should be fine. Because I cannot press it again now. Okay, here. And the button deletes. That's awesome. Okay, that's the bug. If I spam it again, doesn't cause anything. Oh, wait, never mind. It did. I did. And now I'm somewhere. Okay. Actually, that's the bug. I may want to place an island here in case someone finds this other bug, which seems less disastrous. Here, like a horse attack from the Snow City. Okay. So that's my idea. That's the solution. Here, something here. That's the solution. A bug? Now it's an Easter egg. Now it's an Easter egg. Well, again, it's in the same world of That's My Exploit Keeper. A game about bugs. So, having an Easter egg like this, I think it's pretty fitting. So, I suppose we need to place a similar zone. Maybe instead of snow, we place clouds. I don't know, looks cool. You kinda see it when you zoom out, but it doesn't really matter. How do I place clouds in a... They look cool, okay? They just look cool. That's how a secret area should be, right? Also, it doesn't even appear in the world map. Because, well, it's a picture, so I need to update the picture, or At this point I won't, because it's a secret area. It shouldn't appear, right? It shouldn't appear. There's a problem. The corners here are not really clean. So I should upgrade it a little. Okay. Maybe something like this. Okay. And something that teleports you back. I suppose we need something else. A hole here? A hole in the world? Doesn't sound that bad. Well, actually it does, but that's another thing. Where do I put it? I need some ground below it. Okay. I don't know how to make the hole here. Something like this, maybe. I can extend in the other direction as long as you cannot walk on it. Okay. Also, now I realize that it shouldn't be there. It should be on the top corner, because what the bug does is something deletes the coordinates when you start it, and so it defaults to 0, 0. But since the game looks for the tag number 20 on the square, and there's no tag, it will go a little on the left, even over the border, a little down, even over the border, and then if there's nothing, it defaults to what is in the square on the bottom right. So I should move it there and place a tag. Okay, that's probably more reasonable. Okay. The hole though can't go through. Well, it will well, it will loop sideways, right? I will see what happens. For now, we place all the rest. Okay. We have everything, hopefully. No. Okay. We transfer the Easter egg zone here. It's even less noticeable, so it's better. Shouldn't be there? Okay. There also shouldn't be a ground, but it's visible. Is it visible though? I think I can delete it. It may cause some problem here, so I just did this one too. It's a little ugly though. I should extend the border here. I think I should just move it on the side. Here. Okay. The corners are a little messed up. I will fix it right away. Here, okay. Wait, there's something wrong with my world map. Yeah, I suppose. No. Why nothing works? Because I selected an extra tile. Okay, my bad. Okay, now I should be fine. So this thing needs to go away. Okay. And now we have something a little more reasonable. I don't know, something to make some scene. This one needs to be only white. Oh. Something like this. Okay. Kinda. I need a reference. Doesn't need... No, it's still too close to the border, so we need a space a little on the center. Just a small hole in the center here won't hurt anyone, right? Right? Something like this. And we extend this one a little more. I shouldn't take this much time on mapping, right? Should be here, okay. And here we place the borders here. Oof, there's a problem with the corners here. We can just copy a corner here. Okay, simple. Now if you place anything though, it will be a little weird. Let's be careful. Yeah, like this. Like this. Doesn't make the right effect, but it works. Okay. And now some clouds. Oh, we can do this with the clouds? Wow. Just wow. Wall of clouds. Okay, I think we got something that's decent. One more here? Okay. Now, what's the Easter egg we put here? That no one will ever see. Well, first of all, a teleport. That teleports, let's say, to the original city, sure. What should I put? The tall Chara? The tall Kalina? No, it doesn't really make sense. What else? We don't have a lot to... I don't have a lot of sprites left on the game. We don't even have characters, actually. I will just go... I have some remaining items from the test, which are very small items. We could use those. I don't know. Just to play with items in the world. I don't know. Well, yeah, actually a small airship could work. Because it's a way to return back. I should have at least an Easter egg though for it. And also it explains this area then. Okay. It explains this area then, which doesn't really have an explanation. Okay, so. Also this area shouldn't be explorable. Because, well, I don't want the player to unlock other areas. Or we can do something like this. Okay. And the spawn area is this place. Okay. Should we play something when the player arrives here? I think it's fine. We just have a dialogue of Kalina. Say something. Where am I? Think... it's only in English though. We might want to make the Italian version too. It's just 2 lines. Went too far by experimenting with those map changes of mine. This this airship might help me return back. That's it. I don't really know what to add as a secret, because maybe I should add something later about a secret, but I don't know what to add. Something about the game world, I don't know. Let's see if it works, first of all. So, if I spam the button, if I keep it pressed, I can keep the button pressed. Interesting. Doesn't create any sort of bug though. So the problem still lays on the pressing the W button here. Okay, it is. If I turn back, we are here. Okay, okay, that's awesome. In the corner of the map. That actually looks kinda sick. The passage here is a little weird, but I think it's fine. Okay. It's fine, right? Yes. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. We got also an Easter egg, which is a kinda anti-bug measure, but still, it's fine. I wonder why there's the step on the side here. Oh well. It works. Second thing we need to add. A flag to show where the player needs to go. We need a flag though. I don't have any sort of flag to use to guide the player. Do we have it in the tile set maybe? Well, definitely not here. Maybe here. It's the base RTPs though. Not really. We got those, but they are not the flag I want. Then we ask online. Is itch.io work again? Yes, okay. Yes, the thing I wanted to show earlier here. I'm getting like 200 views each day about it. Something is wrong with my world map. Like, at least 200 each day. Today I got 4 downloads of Invalidate though. But yeah, if the day is going pretty well, I get 10 downloads of the game. Let me check again. Yeah, the numbers don't seem to go down. Yeah, okay, we got a peak the first days, but it's getting steady like for a few months already. So I'm pretty happy with it. Also, I'm getting a bunch of donations. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show. And since the game is working now, I should also update some screenshots because they are pretty old. The first one is old, I don't know about the others. But I think I already have the updated screenshots on RPG Maker net. I made a... Ah wait, that's the wrong one. I made a topic about the game, of course. So we can probably use the screenshots from the... Yeah, okay, this is an updated screenshot, for example. So we can just add it and replace it. Easy. Up. Up. You can see the difference. You can clearly see the difference between the two. Wait, maybe by zooming in. Yes. You can see. So move up. Now, you're the new one. I like though to see the difference. That's a pretty nice... I love watching the difference of the evolution the game had. The forest is the one with less details. Well, the city is the one actually. Okay, you go away. Does this one need updates too? It does. It does. Interesting that I made another screenshot of the same location, but with updated graphics. Here you can see the difference. New, old. Wait, we can open those and see the difference here. Ah, yes, you can see the difference. Yes. I love seeing differences and the progress I do in my games. Okay, then probably we have this one update. Ah. Okay, I got another one. This one is a little better though. We can replace that one with this one. I don't want 2 snow biomes in the screenshots. Okay. And then the desert one. Which probably is updated. There's little to no difference, but yeah, there's the pyramid and a bunch of decorations there and there. So yeah, it's an update. And since we are here, we can at this one, which is story. Actually, for the target audience, it's better maybe to show this one with a small bridge. Even if the... Yeah, it shows something about the gameplay. Exploration. Otherwise, it's dialogue. No, it's still gameplay. I don't know. Let's keep it like this. Okay, we got the images updated now. Oh. Okay, we got the game updated. Now we need a flag. Like the pixel art. RPG. It's better to look for RPG Maker stuff. Not the flags I want this sort of flags. I'm not trusting free pick. In the icons, probably there's a flag, actually. I don't know if it's in this RTP. Probably there's one, but not the one I like. Did MV have something better? Wait. MV! I hope MV has a better looking flag at least. Oh, this music is... It's the Zelda. Skyward Sword, maybe. I don't remember. So... Let's see. No! We still have these awful looking squares. So... VX it is. I still have VX installed. How much does it weigh? It's 50 megabytes. I think it can stay. Wait, are those RTPs of VX? Really? Wow. I never saw them actually. Maybe once. Oh, good old 2D Upper Dam. So. The flag. I actually use the map for the title screen of... That's... Something is wrong with my world map from there. You can see it there. There is the map. I hope there's a flag somewhere in there though. There should be, right? Any sort of flag. No. There's not. Oh, that's unfortunate. I really needed some sort of flag. Let's see if we can have some luck here. Probably here. Oh, it's Kads! Yes! Kads is incredible. Makes a lot of free resources and paid ones. I used their die set for the first version of Respawn Banter, after all. Okay, not here. Letter buttons, not really. Fan service, yes. No, never mind. Pixel dailies, not really. Oh, this one. I don't know if we have a flag though. Though, nice upgrade. Nice upgrade indeed. Should I check all of them? Well, not the flag I wanted, but... does someone get offended if I edit one of those? Let's see. Sure, let's download the pride flags together. Yeah. Let's download the pride flags. I wasn't expecting today to download pride flags. That's interesting. Okay, here. We should open our editor. Here's our downloaded file. It's lagging. If it's fine, it's normal. My computer is old, but still good. Kinda. I should close VX6. Okay. Did we got our icons? Yes, okay. Let's see them. Wait, not those ones. Okay, didn't really extract them. Here. Okay, we have the flags. I'm really sorry for this, but we need to edit one of those. Let's get... Oh, we got a... Okay, we got a default one, never mind. How do I show that you need to go in this direction? The green flag, I suppose. Okay. We can take inspiration from this other flag then. Actually, that's pretty simple, wait. We can do the same trick we did last time. So, we replace this color with the green. We replace this color. Ah, come on. We replace this color with the other green. And we replace the last color with the last green. Okay, it's fine. And the rest doesn't need to be changed, right? Okay. Green flag. Should we add something else? Also, there's no animation for it. Well, it just needs to flash, though. I think a green flag is enough. So, 32 pixels. Crop. And we need to save it as a Cara. Do we have a base Cara to use it for, or we need to make a new one? Oh, not really. No problem. We just extend the canvas. So, triple sides, quadruple height. Okay, we have the flag. A green flag, nevertheless. Should be marked with $1? Yes, because now it's considered only one chart set. And should be there. Characters. Okay, we have it. I hope the game updates it correctly. And now let's see if we have a flag somewhere there. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Okay, we don't need a flag here. We need a flag here on the big map. So first of all, let's see if it works correctly. So the problem is it needs to flash, but it's pretty simple because we can also, if we rotate the pic. Wait. What if I put the flag on the side? Because if I emulate the walking animation, that means that frame will appear less frequently. So if we just put a base walking animation, we will have our flickering flag without any extra effort. Wait, actually though, if it's in the middle, it will be step 1. Step 2, return to 1, 2, and so it will be 1 every 2 frames. So it's right how it is right now. Just needs a stepping animation and low frequency. Let's see. I don't like the style though. The style is kind of different. It works though, it works. If I put a very low frequency. It's the same. Doesn't matter though, doesn't matter. Maybe it's the speed, no. Yeah, actually, maybe. Let's see. I think the speed will do fine, actually. Okay, now we need to decide when to show those. First of all, those are transparent. So you cannot get body blocked by those. Will probably break something about the game, I'm pretty sure. Will it? I don't know. You can walk on top of it, awesome. Now we need to decide how to make it appear. So probably we just need a simple variable. This is the town, and unfortunately there are different switches for each town, and there is not a global variable that shows the adventure variable. We can make it though. So, on the first time you can open the world map, you need to go there. So the first one we place it there. Actually, you know what? We could place it there at the start, just to show the player that that's the final target. But when you... Yes, after the first time, it appears here. Then... I suppose I will leave it there, because the player needs to know they are having a problem on the bridge. After that, they need to go there. After that, they need to go there, on the house. I will leave it on the house. Then here. And then here. And that's it. Oh, wait. The last one is here. Okay. The last one should be there, but... Yeah, actually, I should place the last one here. I will replace the final event with a flag. Player touch, same as character. No, wait. It increased priority, right? I hate that it changes priority when you change picture. Below, I said. Stepping, and it's fine. Okay. That's all the flags we need to go through. I may place another one. No, it's fine. I will make this one disappear when you go in the other city here. Okay. We got our flags. Now we need to make a variable for it. It's pretty simple. So the first one is pretty free. When you return to the world map the first time, okay. When you return to the world map the first time, it will apply. Deactivate the bridge. We can make that the first time you go below this one, you activate a variable. There's only one map, so we are using... what the hell is this one? It's a testing one. We don't need it. For example, here, if you pass below here... Maybe if we go in the city here, because that's the only way to continue. So if you activate this one, if you activate the town trigger, well, actually it doesn't even need to show, because if you go there, then you need to go there. So this one should be the first one. Okay, then this one is the next one, so it's after the city trigger. Let's see if we can have something. So, Town Banter. Oh, which one is the right one? So, it's Enter Town on the tile 53. We have the numbers here. Okay, here we have Kalina talking and Mr. Bibrick, Librarian of Tricks. Fun fact, I kinda reused 3 different musics in this game for another game, Octo Stranded, which still needs to release on English, but will be ready for April Fools. For reasons. Okay, we can just trigger it there, right? We need to make a condition though, because the player could choose to go there later. I think the condition needs to be later, but we can also add it there. Okay, so flag store is fine. If it's 0, we can set it to, let's say 2, so we can have some free leeway before. Okay, and it's set to 2. That means that this one, when it's 0, it will be there. If it's not 0, it doesn't exist. And when it's 2, you need to go there. Okay, if it's not 2, it doesn't exist anymore. Okay. Then we can go with increments of 2, just to because I hate uneven numbers. No. To leave an extra number in between if we need one. So the next one is the 4 one. And if it's 5, it disappears in a sea of butterflies. And this one is 6. Disappears if there's a 7 anywhere in your computer. After this, it's the 8 of the final area. Disappears with a 9, and so on. I should have something in between maybe. But it's fine actually if I show this one as the final target. Because you don't really need to go below to the ninjas. I saw people managing to find the snow region even without, but they got confused. That's an extra reason why I need the flags. So this one is 10 and goes away with 11. And this one, the last one, appears from 12 and doesn't disappear because that's the trigger for the final scene. Okay, so flag store is 0 and sets it to 2. Then we have the bridge. A fun fact, I forgot about it. Every bridge has a name. This one is Bridge Koala. This one is Bridge Frieza. This one is Bridge I swear it has a name. Bridge Gaudio, which is happiness in Italian. A very researched term though. And the last one is Bridge Lopanni. Don't ask me, they don't really have a reason for that name. It doesn't show in the game after all. Okay, so the Koala Bridge, let's see. If the flag story is 2, it will set it to 4. I need to consider sequence break though. I need to consider sequence break. Right. We consider it. Wait, let's see. So you could technically ignore the town, right? Yes, you can. You can. So this will cause some problems. Not... wait. Yes, this may cause some problems. Because you need to go to the city here. But everything else is kinda in order. You could skip the city, but you need to go there. But you can use a switch as an extra condition. So for example, you skip the city and you go there. It still activates. No, wait, you still need to go to the city, so it doesn't update. You cannot skip this one though. If you still ignore the city and go here, this doesn't update. Yeah, the value still wouldn't update because you still need to go to the city. But if you return to the city and finally go there, it will update to 2, and they said to return here, which is wrong. So we just need 2 values. Or no. No, wait, we could still update the value, but not update the flag. So If the story is 0, well, it's still... No, it will update to 2 nevertheless. Wait. No, if you skip it, we update only if it's minus... less than 2. If it's less than 2, it updates to 2. If it's less than 4, it updates to 4. And so on. This way, it keeps the higher value. The sage... Let's see. Do we have a tag here? Tag 59. And also I want to fix something. First of all, let's find it here. 59. The first time you go there, it's this dialogue. Right? No, it's the 0. Okay. We can paste here, and it's the 6, if I remember correctly. Okay, there is a problem here that you can leave the village. No, you leave the village after the cutscene, and it's problematic because some players understood it like you can't return here and you can't use this structure to do tricks in the world map, which is not really what I want. That's why I will keep the player in there after the dialogue ends. So it thinks, or it doesn't think they can never return there. The flag would help, but we can add an extra thing to it. Okay. The 6. If I remember correctly, this is the 8. Wait. Yes. It updates to 6 because they need to go there. And here we need to update to 8. So when you activate the Lopanni bridge, if it's less than 8, it activates 8. It cannot be more than 8 though. And here, if you go to the guy before, again, you could go there by skipping the town entirely, but I think nothing happens. I think, I don't remember what happened. I think you cannot go there, but I need to check it again. Still, tile 55. It's pretty early. Let's see. 55. Here it is. So if you didn't have a dialogue, if it's less than 8, you update to 8. Or was it... I think it was 10. Let's see. This one is 8 and this one is 10. Awesome. So we just need to update on the last temple, the how was it called? The Frizza bridge, which updates to the last value, 12. Now we need to fix the last thing, which is we need a switch to tell the flag that we got the cutscene in the city. I think it already exists. I'm actually certain it already exists. So let's see, it's the tag 53. 52, here it is, 53. So Empire City Dialogue, 31. That means now every other flag needs to have an extra requirement. The requirement that the player needs to have done the dialogue in the city. Well, for the last one you don't really need it. This one. Empire City Dialogue here. And the last one, okay. Maybe this flag is not really needed, but it helps because tells the player where to go, which is beyond the mountains, and it's a nice middle ground, middle scene. Okay. Time to test it now. We are gonna speedrun the game. Well, not really, I'm cheating. I'm cheating my own game. I can. Otherwise, if imagine if developers could never cheat on their game. Well, that's no other games will come out actually, or everyone is untested. There's a heart. Oh, kinda. Okay, from the start. We cannot cheat the first part because we need to unlock every feature of the game. We already tested the bug actually. Maybe I could have used a save file though. But it's fine. One thing here, maybe I should teleport back to the city. Because I want to play to open the world map immediately, but maybe it's fine because I need to remember how to trigger the world map thing. Okay, save. Let's see. There's nothing flashing on the world on the. Weird. There's no flag. Not a single one. Wait. Why does it have a second page? This one doesn't need a second page. Okay. I hope that's the only problem here. Big. And yeah, we see the flag. The flicking is different. It's kinda annoying. I think the flag may... I think we may want the flag to not appear until the first scene and disappears later. Okay. How do we do it? Well, it's simple. We update the value every time you... No, when we trigger the scene of resizing down. So it's the... leave the continent map. Here, return to world map. We have a dialogue here. No, we have the after step... I called it the after step banter. Here. There's actually only one. We can set it there. We don't even need to make a check. Because it only happens the first time. Okay, so we have no flag here. We need to make a step. Now if we return back, we see the flag. Okay, that's awesome. Again, not in the right style, but it works. And we see it. Okay. Now we cheat everything. Because the next trigger is there. Wrong button. Okay. Coming from above. Return outside, and now we have a different destination. Fun fact: you can actually go small from the village, but it requires something. Here I cheated, but there's actually a way to do it. Okay. Now the flag should be updated. Here it is. Sorry, I should... Okay. The next one is here. To the sage house. You could skip it. If you skip it, there's not a problem. We could try to skip it, actually. I didn't want to override the working save file, though. So if you don't skip it, now it doesn't let you leave. Or it doesn't force you to leave. Now, if we reset, I could try to skip this flag and go to the next one. There shouldn't be a problem. Ah, wait, I got the wrong side. Okay, we need to go to the scene here, though. I don't have any debug tools for the game, though. I should have made one. It's a little late for that, though. Just to activate different triggers, but it's kinda easy. Okay, yes, it's working. Doesn't matter that we skipped the old guy house. Now we cheat it there. And we get the scene. I should try to skip the city. Because you totally can. Also, there's no way to return big here. I will need to have something. Home, sweet home, where are you? Here. And now we got another flag. I think all the rest should be pretty easy, but let's see. We're streaming 1 hour, wow. Well, I think it's fine. I wanted to do another thing, but maybe we can do it another time, actually. Last part. Let's go to the ninjas, sure. Hi Gemini, how it's going? And we got the last trigger. Let's see if it works. It does? Okay. Now, last thing to check. I saved kinda later. Okay, let's remake this part. Okay. So if I skip the city and I just go straight to the bridge activation, it will still mark the city. But later, if we go to the city... Oh! Wait! You can't? Ah, I forgot about it. That's actually pretty useful. Doesn't really change a lot, but I don't think the player would ever do it, but just in case. Interesting, I didn't know it. So now you're forced to go to the city. Okay, that's pretty nice. The only thing you can skip is this flag, to go straight there. Can you skip the fortress? I don't think so. Yeah, you need to have activated the trigger. Well, since we are here, let's check for the bugged place. Spamming the yes, okay, here. Okay, here, it's actually pretty worky. Oh, you could actually go here, but... I wonder what's the bug that caused it. Maybe because I pressed... I clicked on something here. Interesting. Okay, I think it's everything. I should deploy this version, not really now, but after I do the extra fix here and say the line in Italian and the other version. Okay, here. Can I turn back to our dashboard? Also because the game is getting a lot of views and I kind of felt it needed an extra update. Also for the casual players, because I don't think all those players are here for the puzzles. Let's be honest. We got one download! Yay! There was another thing I wanted to make, but at this point we are gonna make it next Thursday, the 2nd of the year. We are gonna skip the Respawn Banter stream, unfortunately, because the last of the year I'm not streaming. And also, probably the 1st of the year, we are gonna skip it. We return the 2nd of the year. We are streaming Saturday, but not on Sunday. I'm not really even sure on Saturday, though. Okay, I think it's fine doing it next time, because I have another thing to make. I want to make. I want to make on a project I abandoned, but in the future I might want to revision it completely. So, what game is it? It's Glass Dreams, Glass Home. It's a... music. It's a pretty short concept of a game. I want to publish it in kinda 1 month or less, because there's a character that will reappear in the game for the April Fools. So I kinda want to instruct people here. It's a game about walking on glass that will break, so it's the classic puzzle of you need to walk on each tile once, or you need to walk on the tiles at maximum once. It's already programmed. I don't want to reprogram it for MZ, even if would bring more people. Actually, I might want to reprogram it on MZ. Doesn't feel too hard to make. Also, I can hard code it. I could also hard code it. Because each tile here, you can just walk on it once. Okay, I think we can hard code it on MZ. Unfortunately, there is one thing that we are gonna miss, which is, well, the hell. I wanted to do some trick with the game versions here. Game, hell, paradise, but you can only run one of MVMZ. And on browser doesn't even work. I will probably go with browser version over the cool feature I could make with this. The comparison, there's not even a comparison. I'm not here to show cool features, I'm here to find people to wishlist the Respawn banter and play my games. So yeah, that's a thing. Okay. We could do it now, but at this point we are gonna use an entire stream for that. I don't think we are gonna do anything in 1 hour. Maybe, maybe not. Okay then. We got to our 1 hour of game development. Again, we are gonna see each other on Saturday, probably. Maybe not. If, in any case, we are gonna see on the 2nd of the next year, so happy good end of the year. Okay, that's everything for today. Thanks for coming, and we see ya whenever happens.